Thinking about getting into heat pumps but not sure where to start? We're at Shrewsbury Renewables Centre this week where installers are finishing their training. We've asked a couple of installers what they thought of the training this week.
Before this, it's sort of general plumbing and heating, boiler installs, maintenance, servicing. I was interested in doing renewables, and then suddenly with the way the world is, I think more people might move towards it for like energy independence.
So the reason why I'm here is to get ahead of the curve. A lot of people in London aren't fitting air source heat pumps at the minute, and I want to make sure I'm in front of the competition. I was unsure about how to get the grant for the air source heat pumps, and I was unsure actually about all the components. So I know how a normal heating system works, but I was very unsure how it all pieces together.
I don't know that I was unsure, it just taken a bit of time to sort of decide I wanted to do it, and then getting the offer of coming here, I thought I quite fancy learning something new and another string to my bow. I think the components of a heat pump, how that works, and then how easy it is to get into it, not professing that I know everything about it, but like that, I'd feel confident sort of now starting that journey of fitting an air source heat pump.
Biggest thing I've taken away from training today is knowledge. So knowledge on how the systems connect and the different types of systems that I can use for my real life work.
Probably a bit easier than I thought it would be. I didn't find it daunting, like doing the tests, doing the bits of learning. I didn't feel I was an idiot not knowing things till we were explained. Definitely, I think I know more about how they work, when they're suitable, and the things you're looking for within a job to say, yeah, we could fit one here.
Obviously now I've done the course, I understand how it all connects. So to me, understanding that part was the main thing, and from this course I've learnt a lot. So what surprised me the most is to say the difference in the systems that you get, some different types of systems that you can use in different scenarios and situations. So I didn't realise there was such a big variety. So yeah, I'm going to say that surprised me the most. I thought it was just sort of very basic, but there is a lot more to it.
It was kind of as I expected. It went in depth enough, and it didn't feel like all the learning you're doing is just to pass a test. I thought a lot of it is actual knowledge you'll take away. After this, I've hopefully got my first job lined up to do, which is quite a good one because it's my brother's, so there can be a bit of learning on it. Obviously it'll have to work as well because he's my brother, but yeah, getting involved with that, with the system design and pricing a job up for him.
Air conditioning, so I'm going to go on to do my F-gas. I wasn't even thinking of doing that before, but that is something I'm looking to move on to next, is the F-gas, and get my AC. So it's given me enough confidence to do that, so I think I'm going to move in that direction. So any heating engineers that are working in rural areas, I definitely recommend this too. So I've got a few friends that I'd say, yeah, coming on to. So heating engineers and plumbers, get ahead of the curve, but not before me.
I'd recommend it to people like me who are looking at moving from sort of gas boiler installations and general plumbing, who are looking to get into renewables. But then there is guys on this course who need it as proof that they know how to fit an air source heat pump, either to work under their own MCS or someone else's MCS umbrella. Then this BPEC qualification gives you that.
So quick takeaway, it's hands-on, builds confidence and gets you ready for real life installs. If this sounds of interest, go and branch, visit us online and get in touch with Renewables Centre today to get booked to that course.